young engineers bring new ideas, a lot of new innovation, a lot of new creativity, and a lot of things that will continue to advance the industry.
I'm really keen to learn from our graduates today just how they were inspired to join the engineering profession and what difference they are going to make to people's lives.
It's important to support young engineers because they are the future of our industry. There is so much to do in the future. We've moved quite a way, I think, in the last few years, but there's so much to do in actually improving the time cycle of producing these buildings. So that's why it's so important to support them.
Well, for all young engineers, myself included, we're part of a mentoring scheme right from the start, and we always feel like we're part of the decision-making process, which I think is key.
One of the things that I have seen in a lot of the young people in our industry, younger people in our industry, is a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of passion for what they're doing, and attitude and passion about something is what really, in my opinion, is the basis for setting them apart and giving them the avenues to excel and succeed.
It means everything to me, especially coming from a different country. It's such an honor. I've always dreamed to study abroad and broaden my horizons, and it's been a dream ever since I was a child. Also making my father proud, who, as I said in my speech and my presentation, is my great idol and great inspiration. So yeah, I'm shocked and really pleased.
It was important for us Kinnear management to be involved in this event and to sponsor it, because we're very passionate about bringing young, talented people into the industry, and we need to keep them, and the best way of doing that is to celebrate their talents.
But a few years ago, we saw the need to take it even a step further. Once they were in our industry, we really need to find a way to get them more involved. And so ASHRAE created the Young Engineers in ASHRAE, or what we call the YAY program. And it has become probably one of the most popular and most successful efforts that we've done in the last 10 years.
The Institution of Mechanical Engineers supports young engineers in many different ways. We have our own monitored professional development scheme, which will nurture a young engineer's career throughout their working lives. We also make sure that all of our committees and boards have young members represented on those committees and boards, and equally we make sure that we have young panels at all levels of the institution.
Very important for Kingspan to be involved in this event. The next crop of engineers that are coming through now are very important to us. We want to be part of their ongoing education and also part of their growth within their companies. We see it as very important to be engaging with young engineers as they grow into their roles and to assist them as they move forward with their business.
Our institution supports young engineers by giving them a great deal of background guidance. So we have a whole range of guides, technical memorandum, application manuals. So there's a lot of information there which is freely available to them to download by the Knowledge Portal.
What technology will have the biggest impact on the way I'll be working next few years? I think the IT is just developing so quickly and so rapidly. So I think it will have a huge impact on what tools I use. The simulation will probably get even more advanced. I think the biggest opportunity just for any young engineer is just getting experience in the office, and when you enter the professional world. This happened for me just 2 weeks ago, and even within those 2 weeks I completely changed my mind about the way engineering should work, of how engineers actually work in reality compared to university. So if I have any advice, and also what I think is best and the key to success for young engineers, is to get involved in professional business and start designing as soon as possible, and you can shoot the stars yet.